Welcome to POIT. We are going to discuss on why we require cybersecurity. As an individual or a business, always you want to protect your data from getting compromised. Whether you are in a small business or in a large multinational business, you work on computer systems every day. Your business will have a lot of valuable data such as personal data, financial data, and always you want to keep the data safe or confidential. Even a single breach can have many consequences in today's interconnected world. Information theft is the most expensive and fastest growing cybercrime in the present world. Cybersecurity is essential to protect business and individuals from the potential consequences of a security breach. If no cybersecurity solutions are implemented, it can result in financial loss and a loss of customer loyalty, trust, and brand reputation. Hence, you can prevent or at least mitigate the damage caused by a security breach by implementing or having an excellent cybersecurity solution. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel POIT.